Do you want to know the 4 hidden secrets to the law of attraction? There's a pretty good chance you've heard something about the law of attraction in the past years. For a while, it was pretty big news, and lots of people who wanted better lives jumped on the bandwagon. While you're not hearing as much about it in the media these days, the law of attraction still holds true. Just what is the law of attraction, and how can it work to help you be happier and more successful? Stay tuned to find out. Welcome to Diamond Ideology, the place where we help you achieve the health, wealth, and relationships you desire. The basic rule of the law of attraction is that like attracts like. When you're in a healthy, successful mindset, you'll be healthier and more successful. Positive thinking is a powerful tool as long as you use it correctly. So, how do you do it? Here are 4 ways you can use the law of attraction to make your life more fulfilling and achieve your goals. 1. Visualize. Visualize what you desire. You need to have a clear idea of what you want out of life, not just a general or vague picture. By envisioning every detail of your desire, you'll eventually receive it. Know exactly what your goal is and outline the path it will take to get there in detail. Then, track your progress. You'll be surprised at how much of a difference this makes. For example, if your goal is to be an entrepreneur, don't just say, "I want my own business." You need to have some detail. Visualize what a day in your life will be like running your business. What industry is your business in? How many hours a day will you work? These are important things to know so that you can visualize a clear picture. Number 2, allow yourself to succeed. You may think this sounds silly. After all, you're not the one holding yourself back. Or are you? Many of us hold ourselves back from the success we want by either not paying attention to success clues or feeling like we don't deserve the success we desire. Take a look at your life and ask yourself if you have any behavior patterns or attitudes that keep you from taking advantage of opportunities that can help you succeed. Are you ignoring an email to improve your supply chain, saying you will get to it later, but you never do? Recognize and being aware of these self-sabotaging attitudes is a big step towards change. Are you constantly doubting yourself when it's time to launch a new product? And so you don't put your all into it, and when it fails, you reaffirm that failure? You have to have a mindset that allows you to be successful. 3. Have focus. You might have a laundry list of things you want to attract into your life, but you need to focus. Preferably, you should focus on one thing. But if focusing on one thing just won't cut it, focus on 3 things maximum at a time. If you divide your energy and thoughts on multiple tasks, you're more likely to get distracted and fail. If you often pursue multiple goals but never get near any of them, it's time to focus. The law of attraction tells us that in order to achieve, we have to be in a clear, focused mindset with a strong picture of a single goal. When you're focused on a single goal and achieve it, you can turn your focus to your next goal. This way, one by one, you are realizing success. 4. Be willing to receive the bounty the universe offers you. The universe is constantly giving you opportunities to make changes. If you maintain the right mindset, stay focused, and know what you want and how to get there, you'll reap the benefits of those opportunities. Every day, there are opportunities that could change your life circumstances. You just have to be open and willing to take advantage of them. The law of attraction principles have helped many people change their lives for the better. Keeping a positive mindset and taking action to accomplish your goals will help you achieve the life you've always dreamed of.